Hey guys, good afternoon guys. Today, so we finally have 7 new holidays and 2 subscribers from last week. Today, it is a celebration on May 14th to celebrate all chickens. Wherever you do, be like a chicken for a whole entire day. Dance with it for a whole entire day. Today it is Dance Like a Chicken Day. So first, um, so so today we are gonna be doing the dance for how long? 1 minute? I don't know, in case you might didn't know that I have my Isabindi. And of course there's 6.5 more days until summer. But if you guys wondering why today if you guys wonder what today is, this is a recognition holiday that celebrates this. It's a celebration on May 14th to all chickens beloved to dance all over it. Be like a normal kid and you first of all, it's a great holiday to celebrate. Unless if you're doing like this. Then you go twist it off. Wait. Mama! I'm sorry guys if I did something. Bye. Have a great day. Have a great Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Bye.